How to see other people's best friends list on Snapchat. So today we'll be learning about if we can see other people's best friends list on Snapchat or not. To know it, you have to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you will know if we can or not. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure your app is up to date. You can check it from Play Store or App Store as well. If you see any update button next to Snapchat, you can tap on it and then update your app. Once done, open the Snapchat app and you have to simply log into your Snapchat account. Once done, select the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. But before that, you can also go ahead on and open the chat icon at the bottom left corner, and then on this chat section, you can easily make anyone your best friends. For that, you can tap and hold that particular friend, and then you can pin that person or user as your number one best friends forever. So you can tap on it, but for that, you need to be the Snapchat subscription members, and only you'll be able to do that. The next thing is you need to select the Bitmoji at the top left corner, and when you scroll at the bottom of the screen, you can easily see your friends. So tap on my friends, and here you can easily manage your friends. So when you open any one of the friends here and then go to the profile at the top of the screen, as you can see that there is no any option to view your best friends list on Snapchat. Let's go and open any other people's as well. So there is no any particular tool that help us to see other people's best friends list on Snapchat, even though we are not allowed to see their friends list as well, because Snapchat does not allow us to do that due to some privacy settings. The only thing or the alternative way you need to or you can do in order to see other people's best friends list on Snapchat is simply you can come back on the chat page and select the new chat button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now on this section you can easily, instead of that you need to select the plus button at the top right corner of the screen, and on this add friends list you can easily see all the friends on this quick add. So on this quick add, we can see the context where you can easily send the friend request to these people. So these people are not the normal people. They might be the best friends or the friends of our friends on Snapchat. So they are listed here. So from here, we can easily add them so that they might be the best friends or friends of our friends on Snapchat. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.